We begin with the first step, which is declaration of configuration class. What is a configuration class? A configuration class is a class that we create to tell the framework that we use, the package that you need to look for the REST resources. In configuration class, we map the application URI to the package that contain REST resources. For example, we design the URI as localhost 8080 slash REST provider slash services, and we want this URI to map to our package, which is hogwarts.rest.services. This is the implementation of our configuration class. We name the class as REST provider and extend it to resource config. Then we declare the path to be mapped to the package using application path. We name the path as services. The name will be appended to localhost 8080 REST provider, and it will become localhost 8080 REST provider slash services. Then in the constructor, we specify the package to be mapped. This declaration will map the classes in the package named Hogwarts rest.services with the address localhost 8080 slash rest provider slash services.